Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the sheet. Open the Share button in the top right now. Once the modal appears, scan the list of people and groups so you know who has access. Make sure to note link sharing settings because link access is separate from individual permissions. If you see a Google group, expand it to view members before changing anything. You're acting to reduce access quickly, so prioritize removing broad link access first, then tackle individual editors and viewers one by one. Once done with identification, change roles or remove users directly. Click a user's role menu and pick Viewer, Commenter, or Remove. If someone has owner rights and must be removed, transfer ownership first. You cannot remove the sole owner otherwise. Make sure to set link sharing to restricted if you don't want anyone with the link to view. After edits, click Done to save. You're methodically reducing scopes of access. Confirm each change because permissions can finish by reopening the share dialog to confirm your removals took effect. Verify no unexpected editors remain. If access still shows, check the parent drive folder or a shared drive. Permissions there can reapply to the file. Also, review the activity dashboard and version history to see who last changed sharing settings. That helps diagnose accidental reshares. If problems persist, sign out and back in or clear cache, because cached permission data can temporarily display stale access information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.